Hello, friends. So, friends, first of all, I will channel what the divine masculines feels for you. What are his feelings? What are his romantic feelings? Or what are his deep set feelings if all external factors are removed? So, let's begin. Folks, what I'm getting is that the divine masculine sees you as a very pure, intuitive lady who is linked to the spirit guides above. She has her angels, she has her spirit guides, she has the universe to guide her, and she's a highly intuitive being, a highly intuitive, pure being. That is how he sees you. That is how he has his image regarding you. That is how your image is in his mind and in his psyche and everything. He sees you as a very pure and intuitive person. Also, what I'm getting is that he's going to bring you an offer, or a very solid type of a offer is going to come your way. It is going to be of the practical nature, meaning it is not just going to be a love offer, it is going to have some practical angle to it, like living in together, or going towards an engagement, or going towards a marriage. Because by now what I'm being shown is that he has realized that you are a person of great strength, or you have maintained a lot of strength during this journey, and he knew that what he is dishing out is not enough to sustain a female, or sustain a good female partner, but you have still sustained yourself in this relationship, even though you were getting crumbs and you could have easily fled the situation, but you were there. And it is like you have tamed the beast. It is like he feels that he was a person whom nobody could totally tame. He could not belong to somebody totally, but you have done that job and you have been successful, and he sees that strength in you. And he also sees that infinite energy where he feels that you could be his partner for infinite lifetimes to come. That is how he feels about you. He also sees a lot of brightness when he is with you. He feels very blessed and very deserving, and he feels very as if the universe has given him some kind of a blessing. He also visualizes his children with you. He visualizes that you both will get pregnant and you will have babies together, and you are one of his wishes that he is trying to manifest. Like, people have a vision board, or people want to manifest, and you are one of his agenda. You're one of his manifestations if it comes true. So what he feels about you is that he sees you as the divine, intuitive, beautiful, charming lady who he wants to bring a divine offer to, a practical marriage like offer to, because he sees you as an infinite partner. He sees your brightness, he wants to have kids with you. And he has also realized that you have been successful in taming the beast, because there could be some qualities in you which made you successful in doing that, which nobody had done it till now. Nobody had done it till that depth and with that patience, and in this big amount of time which you have sustained and survived in the relationship. And you are one of his wishes. He himself sees himself as an infinite partner of yours. As such, he himself sees his own self, his own energy objectively as your infinite partner. And he is also trying to manifest that version of him which is equal to your version of having maintained so much strength during this relationship. He himself wants to manifest that version of him also, along with manifesting your love together. So then I further explored. What I was shown is that he also has realized right now, or in these few months or days, that you two have a relationship like no other. He has not felt that kind of a relationship with anybody else before. it is a highly complementary relationship that he feels. He feels that whatever he lacked or whatever he wanted in a partner when he used to imagine as a young lad or as a young chap, he has got that particular female, you know. He also wants to bring in communication to you if he hasn't done that already, or if you are in a no contact situation, communication is going to come to you from him. He also sees or wants to see kind of a victorious outcome with you, and he wants to now start giving to you where he was only taking from you. It was a relationship of imbalance. Now he wants to make it a relationship of balance. And I also see that you people might have some kind of a processional marriage where there's a huge crowd or a huge ceremonial kind of a marriage, you know. I also explored, or I asked in this channeling to the universe, that when do you see the communication coming, because many people are in no contact, and they would like to know like when the communication would come. I'm being told that this month is very ripe with some communications happening. So either you may receive communication, or you may have already communicated during this month after a quite a bit of a gap, or you will communicate in this month, or he will communicate with you this month. Either way it can go, or it might have already happened in this ninth month, because I'm being shown the number 9. So it could be this month, that the communication has already happened prior to this channeling, or it is going to happen in the rest of this month, you know. That is still remaining. It could happen from you, or it could happen from him. It could happen both ways. I also asked that the divine masculine does see the feminine as an intuitive, wise, beautiful lady, and he wants to bring her offer. He has now recognized her strength. He has also recognized the twin flame or soulmate kind of complementary relationship. He does want to have children. He does want to manifest a higher version of himself, and he does want to also manifest his wish come true. So what is actually standing in the way? If this is the channeling or the reading that we are getting, then what is standing in the way of doing this, you know? Because these things are still not manifesting in 3D, you know. So what is the message for general public where they see this kind of a channeling, but then what is blocking this outcome from happening? So what I'm getting is that the masculine is wanting to bring a love offer. Again, I'm being shown that love is there, the love offer has been thought about, the proposal has been thought about, but he's still stuck, and he's still wanting to come from that stuckness to calmer waters. He wants to move from that stuckness to calmer waters with that love offer that he has in mind, but there is somebody blocking him. Now when I asked that what is it that is blocking him, I got two responses from the universe in the form of imagery being shown to me. The imagery was, first one was Queen of Wands. Now Queen of Wands is a very fiery, feisty energy, and she has some kind of a recognition in society because she is the queen. She is not a princess or a page. So that was shown to me, you know. So the love offer that the twin wants to come with, he wants to come into calmer waters with you, but is being prevented by a feminine energy. I don't see that this feminine energy is the karmic, but I do see that this feminine energy is the matriarchal energy or the maternal energy, because this is the Queen of Wands, the feisty energy. I then used some tools and I clarified this Queen of Wands, that who is this lady? Is this a lover? Is this a partner? Is this what is this? So I again got the Queen of Swords. Both times I got two ladies who are of a certain age group and have a status in society. The Queen of Swords is even more cutthroat than the Queen of Wands. The Queen of Wands in some decks is a very nice energy, but here what I was being shown is the Queen of Swords on top of Queen of Wands. This is, my folks, the maternal energy, or anybody who holds the maternal energy. It could be a sister-in-law, it could be a sister who is preventing this person or who is feeding the mind of this person in coming forward. And then I get the Four of Swords, which means lying down again. If you check the Rider-Waite deck, it means lying down again or lying down in meditation. Here he is coming from calmer waters, or trying to come into calmer waters with the love offer or with the practical offer combined together, and then is being stopped by the Queen of Wands or the Queen of Swords, and then comes into the Four of Swords again, which is the resting position, doesn't come forward. So that is why you see this cycle happening. Now this Queen of Swords or Queen of Wands is the current energies. Apart from these current energies, there could be multiple blocks in your twin flame journey, but the current block that is coming through is the maternal energy. I did not do this channeling knowing that the maternal energy will again come up as a block. If you will see one previous channeling, it has forthrightly come out as a block. But again, when I did this channeling or reading and I used certain tools with it, I again came to the same conclusion that the resting phase again comes into the divine masculine's life because of this negative vibration or this negative energy or this energy who thinks that they are positive and trying to prevent the divine masculine from something. So this Queen of Swords or Queen of Wands is the maternal energy, or anybody who holds the maternal energy. Anybody can hold the maternal energy, not just the mother. It could be an auntie, it could be a older age feminine partner, it could be even a father who holds the maternal energy or the feminine energy who's preventing them. So again, after this energy, when you see the Four of Swords, they are going into the resting position after thinking about the practical offer, after thinking about the love offer, after knowing your value in their life, after having such a beautiful reading regarding the romantic feelings where they thought you are a divine intuitive lady. They want to bring the marriage offer, a solid commitment, a solid offer, and know your strength, and they want to have kids with you, and they want a similar version for themselves also, as much strength as they see in you, and they want know the complementariness of this relationship. They also want to bring you communication within this month, and they want to see success with you, and they want to have a fully balanced relationship. But what is being done exactly is that they are coming. Actually, they might have announced it to their family or even told their family or friends, that this is the girl I want to, really propose to her, and she's the love of my life, and this is how I want things to go for my future. And because the information is made in public in the family, because he thinks that the family is most closest to him, or in his naivety or in his innocence, he is sharing his joy and excitement with the family, but the family in turn, what they're doing is they're blocking him from doing that, and they're pulling his strings, and he again comes into a very deadbeat energy, a very low-lying energy, a very a stable energy, stable in a negative way, a very stable baseline where he doesn't do anything, folks. He doesn't do anything. But let's see if you can work on these blocks and make the initial part of the reading come through. So that is for each of yours personal case to do, but these are the general energies coming through. Thank you so much.